The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. There's the 8 o'clock bell. Fellas, very good morning to you all. It is Monday, September 26th. It is also the last week of the third quarter. Very good morning, guys. Hope you all had a great weekend. I am getting a very late start today. I went out of town with... Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Hope your team won on Saturday. Go Irish. Hope your teams won yesterday. Last week of regular season in baseball. My Mets clinging to a 1.5 game lead in the National League East. Very good morning, guys. All right. Friday was an interesting trade. We had an awesome rebound off of the 200-week moving average in the NASDAQ. Bank of England still talking about deciding if they're going to comment on the pound. The pound is good. All the currencies are. Dollar index is over $1.10. You get even less for your buck, if that's possible. Just looking at the pound real quick. I'm going to watch the Canadian dollar and the pound today. In any event, guys, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. My bots are on. Natural gas just took a long. Crude is currently in a short. No targets hit anywhere yet. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. I rolled natural gas, yes. There's target 1 on crude. I rolled natural gas to November, guys. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Target 2 on crude. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, fellas, couple of things. One, I have changed my ES bot from the 15 range back to the 15-minute. I have gone back to the original setting on the 15-minute bot. The 15 range, which performed heroically for months, is just not, in my opinion, at least for me, been worth trading. It has taken a short this morning. If you are using the trail button, it would have taken you out. If you are not using the trail button, you'd still be in a short on the ES down at 76.75. So a little bit of heat. Also, as a side note, I did not turn my bots on until about 20 minutes ago because I slept in this morning. So my apologies. I got up early, checked emails, and went back and laid down. As I said, I was gone this weekend for most of the weekend. My apologies, but it does appear that the bots would be down based on the trades that I see. In any event, good morning. It is Monday. We will get after them. Let's take a look at charts. Crude got target 1. Stop is at break even. NASDAQ got 2 targets, did not get third yet. Stop is at break even. And natural gas took a loss. Fairly slow morning, guys. Out on NASDAQ runner. If natty gas can break up above 6 out on crude runners, if natural gas can break above 69.20, she's going to rip. $69.20. Yeah. It can go back to $7. Hourlies are holding support at 67.90 area on natural gas. Yes, I still think we come down. NASDAQ, which I wasn't paying any attention to, on the 830 bar traded into that line at 340. That was our short. I got to get rid of some charts, guys. I miss so many goddamn trades. It's not funny. ES resistance here. Right there at that low volume area. That's a bad color. Not a good color. I'm trying to, how about yellow? That should be good. Yeah. I'm trying to find a color you guys can see. I'll be right back, fellas. Got 2. Ten-tick slippage on the entry. Right back into this hourly support. If natural gas, as long as we hold 83, it's okay. Should natty gas blow out below 770, let me see what that swing is there. 770 would have to go. And natural gas This is the swing low. This could pop right back to 850 or blow out on the hourlies. It's holding hourly support. CL get target. Yeah, CL got target. And then some. NASDAQ getting a bid. Might get to 403. That's a target if you guys have an interest. 403. ES is long. Target is 3,700. I'm watching this natural gas to see if this is going to bounce here again off this hourly or puke. Anybody take the crude? $60 target, well exceeded. Anybody take NASDAQ? 403 is a target. ES 3,700 target 1. Okay, guys. 3,700 target 1. There's 98. Okay, come on, let's go. 99. Come on, dog. Quarter? Half? 75? Come on, one tick. You're welcome, Claudia. Come on, ES 99 half. We got 3/4 on it. It may have offered 37, but wouldn't have filled. 99 half, 7.5, 3,700. You got it. Target 1 hit on ES. Now it's free. It's got to move above this 3,700 if you want a less aggressive trade. If you didn't take it, 37.05. Nice job, Archan. 37.05 with a target at 25. Nice job, Fernando. Natty Gas doing squat. 12 net sellers in natural gas. Again, I am on November's contract now, fellas. Out on the rudder on natural gas. The ES 15-minute bot is going to go long in 6 minutes. Buyers in natural gas, it's holding hourly support. Crude over 79 bucks. Nobody took crude. Crude is now headed to 79.35. Natural gas just chunking around. The ES 15-minute bot is in a long. Natural gas has retraced that up move. Still a fair amount of buyers. Wheat left us at 8.45, attempting a long, as did soybeans. Anybody have any questions before we go? I'm expecting a bid off the open here. I'm also expecting a fairly choppy session, so we'll see. I just want to reiterate, if you guys attended the education on Monday, I just want to reiterate something. Your goal as a trader is to make money every single day, $100 or $1 billion, somewhere in between. That's your goal. Your goal as a trader and as a member of this room and as an owner of the bot is not to replicate my results. That's not the goal. The goal is for you individually to determine what makes sense for you in running the bots, especially. Does it make sense for me to run the ES bot on a 15-minute? This is just a, for instance. Wow, Bob's running the ES 15-minute bot. Let me get out of the 15 range and get to, or the 2-minute and get to the 15-minute. You guys are not trying to replicate my results. That is a common theme, especially amongst newer users. Your goal is to make money. We are all going to have different goals, different daily goals. We all have different account size. If you're trading an Apex account, you are not running the 15-minute bot. You're just not. Current stop on this is 14 handles. If you're trading a $5,000 account, you ain't running the 15-minute bot. You can't. Okay, so I am running the 15-minute ES bot. If it makes sense for you to run it opposed to the 15 range or the 2-minute, run it. But don't worry about what I run. It's immaterial to what you guys do. Now, if it's in your trade plan that you can take a 14 handle stop, take it, run it. If it's not, it's like natural gas, then you got to stay away from it. Yeah, I'm just saying, it doesn't do enough for me. It doesn't make enough for me of late. So commonsensically, I know that we have settings in the member area across different time frames, right? So I've gone back to the 15-minute, but this ain't looking very promising at the moment. Looks like we're going to pull back to 90. Oh, natural gas looks like it's going to attempt a breakdown here. It's holding the hourly, but I suspect it's going to break down below 72. Remember, I am trading November natural gas now, guys. Still a ton of buyers. So it's not a question of scrap, JC. It's a question of what is performing at the moment. That's all. I'm just trying to. If natty gas breaks down here, guys, it could come a long way. I mean, it could come a long way. We're at the low of the day. So whether it breaks down or not, I don't know. This is the low. It just breached it. Minute and a half to the open. I mean, I don't know, Shatan, because I haven't looked at it. When the market gets choppier, the smaller time frame will produce better. This ES trade is going to definitely take me out. I mean, it's probably right on the open. All right, guys, here we go, go. All righty. Open. NASDAQ's giving me I got charts that are frozen again. Here comes the breakdown on natural gas. It's trying. Not many sellers, though. I will be long ES about 05 if it gets there. I'm surprised gas isn't following crude yet with that storm approaching. Yeah, ES long. It's got to get above probably 4 for me. Soybeans got a bid. NASDAQ, nothing for me other than what I gave you guys. ES is trying. I like ES. ES long. This is lagging. We're at 99. We're at 99. This is correct. 97.5. No, we're at 3,700. There we go. Come on, break up. All right, I'm long ES. Here we go. ES is 06, fellas. Disregard ninja bullshit. 06, 05 half, 06. Target number 1 on the ES is going to be 8 half. 8 half. NASDAQ got my target at 403. 403 target hit on the NASDAQ. That was from pre-market. ES on the 15-minute. Trying to get target at 9. SPY calls above 68 half with a target at 70 SPYs. Guys, 25 is final target on ES. Corn found a bid. Beans found a bid. Wheat found a bid. NASDAQ sold. I'm sorry, natural gas sold. Come on, give me 8.5 for target 1. 8.5, guys, on the order flow trade. There it is. 8.5 target hit. Target 1 hit and filled. Free trade now. Free trade, fellas. Natural gas now coming down nicely. $14 target next. 14 on ES. Anybody holding ES or NASDAQ? NASDAQ far exceeded my 03 target. Crude still going. Okay, guys. All right, fellas. Nice job, guys. Let me get rid of this. Hang on, guys. Target met for the week. We're going higher, guys. We may get a little bit of a pullback, but we're going higher. Now, as long as, the ES remains long unless we fail below 90 now. It's longs. And 14.15 is the next level up if you're holding ES. And then 25. Natural gas getting hit hard. Nice job, Fernando. NASDAQ is long here again, 42, 43 for another push. ES still go, I believe, still going to 14.15. Here comes 14.15. Anybody grab that NASDAQ long in the 40s for the next push? Okay. All right, fellas. Target number one on this next push is 67. 65 to 67 on the NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Yeah, 65 should get there. We have 2,800 net buyers. No bot trade since the open. There goes crude again. Crude was the trade today. Natural gas was a big short. They got a decent little long, but a big short. ES may give us a small short on a 5-minute pullback. No. NASDAQ trying to push. Small sellers in the NASDAQ. Wheat is bid. Corn is bid. Gold may come down. And soybeans is rolling over. ES back into support-ish. All right. Small short on the NASDAQ. Maybe back to 402. That's what I'm seeing. ES could come back to 95. Yeah, ES to 95. Come on, ES down to 95. And then bounce again. If NASDAQ breaks down below 18, you've got a short below 18. ES is still holding 3,700, but precipitously. I'll try a 99 area short on ES with 95 target one. We're holding the support here at 3,700 on the ES. with small buyers in here. This could go right back to 06 from here. All right, it didn't. There it is, 06. $6,000 net buyers now in the ES 6500. NASDAQ 2600. ES hanging out around 7-ish. NASDAQ, no real selling. I think ES goes back up to 13. If we get above 9, we're probably going to 13. NASDAQ bot got a long. Target 1 is filled. We back tested 3,700 and held it. Target 2 filled. Probably going to trade back up here to 13 on the ES. VWAP's getting pulled up. So at some point, we're setting up for a move lower. Copper, you can try a copper short at 34.85. There we go. NASDAQ popping again. This is just setting up for a great rollover at some point today. Russell is long on the bot. You guys can look at Q calls right here, 77 on the Qs. I would buy, at least a day or two of time. 282 is your target on Qs. 282 is target on Qs. Don't forget, it's quarter end this week. SPYs above 68.82 are long. SPY above 68.82. Qs are long where we're at. There's our 14.15 target. I still think we can make 25 if anybody is running them. I'm watching this damn copper for a rollover. Not yet. Small net sellers in copper, literally 18. Slow, fellas. Crude might pull back a bit. There's target one on the Russell bot. Target one hit, RTY. I don't know why that didn't set. Oh, exits is off, that's why. I always buy at the closest to the money, Ryan. I always buy closest to the money. So Qs. Well, damn it. Wrong symbol. Q, Q, Q. So maybe 78. But give yourself some time. Out on the rest of the Russell. NASDAQ could pull back to 46. 47. It's 10 o'clock now. Crude may pull back to 79.07. NASDAQ breaking out. Now, one thing you guys should understand that are trading options, Qs, SPYs, I'm not looking for 100% winners, guys, or 50%. I start scaling out at about 10%. But I'm not trading $200 when again, I don't know what anybody does, but I'm not taking $200 trades on option trades looking for a 5-bagger. Just so you guys are clear, 10 to 15% is a nice little trade. I mean, I'm loving this pushing higher, and I hope it pushes higher all morning. It will make for tough trading. But when we get the reversal, whether that comes in an hour or 3, they're usually pretty nice reversals, fellas. At the moment, I've got nothing other than what we've done. NASDAQ may pull back to that 46. Maybe 51 for a target 1. Nothing's really flipped yet. All right, opening range high is in another minute. There you go. Yeah, I said another minute. "30 seconds, opening range high will be in." Man, this thing's almost 100 handles higher than my target. Jesus. ES target 718. All right, guys. So here's your opening range high. 96.5. Good Lord. Anybody think they're tearing up shorts? Woo-wee. $341.50. I won't even mark it. Should bounce here at least once. All right, now we've got some selling, fair amount. Crude looking to make another push higher. Crude's next target is, if anybody is long crude, $80.20. If anybody is still holding crude from earlier. YM, interestingly, is doing nothing. All right, we're getting set for a small short here, guys, probably below 70. We could come back for a 30. We have a ton of buying. I mean, there's nothing looking to roll over yet. Maybe wheat. Corn is a short, back to 675. And soybeans is rolling. NASDAQ is fixing to go short here. It's got to get below 70. Damn, copper still going. There's a NASDAQ bot trade. First trade we've had in a while. Target one. What in the hell is going on here today? Come on down. Give us a pullback, for God's sake. If this drops below 80, this will work lower, below 80. It's got to come down below that 80. It's holding 80. If 80, no, won't snap. 80's got to break. And then we come into 70, and if 70 breaks, we could come back a long ways. I mean, I'm ready to hit. There it goes. There we go. If we come down below 70 now, it gets hit harder. That was your short, guys. 80. 150 sellers in here, small. Come on, Rat Dog. $64 is target one. 64 is target one. Come on down. We got 73. Held the last area of support, but I think this breaks right here. Right here. Come on. Come on down. Come on, big guy. 60. There we go. 64. 64. Right there. Come on. 64. Got it. Target one filled from 80. 64. And now 430, fellas. 430. 430. Final target. 430. 430. Booyah it now, baby. Got the long, got the short. 430. 430. Stop is always break even at target one. We're down to 2,800 net buyers. 400, almost 500 net sellers in here. Good. Any Fed speaker speaking on inflation should send this lower. We're coming to 446. 446. And then below that is 430. 446 and 430. ES still hanging in. I cannot short the ES unless I get a breakdown below maybe 83. I won't short the ES. Christine Lagarde is also speaking. Crude over $80. Sorry about that, Frank. You want me to throw you some losers, get you out of that higher tax bracket? All right, out at break even. Got a long on the Russell bot. Target one filled. Anybody take Qs or SPYs? Target two filled Russell. Anybody buy the SPYs or the Q calls? No, I wouldn't go out to November for. You're looking for SPY calls for November? No. No. I would have bought a couple of days, is it? Oh, puts. Let it go a little higher. We're going to get a retracement here. I'll tell you when I'm buying puts. That's target two on Russell. NASDAQ is long again, but I don't particularly dig the trade. We're coming through the opening range high. This could work and get another burst. $19 on the ES, fellas. Here comes 25 target if you're long. Anybody that's there it is. Anybody that's in SPYs or Qs, you should be up decently now. There's 22. Second target. All three targets hit on the Russell bot. All three targets hit on the Russell bot. Bot's up 25.05. This is just lagging. Out on the NASDAQ. I mean, this is an area that if ES blows through 25, we could start working up to 37.50. Copper, no pullback. Still going. Crude is getting lift off this hurricane that's coming. Nobody took Qs or SPY calls. Nobody. Okay? I will not give you updates on it then. Target is 382 on Qs. Give or take 81 to 82. Freaking monster today, fellas, off that. Is everybody making money? Do I have anybody not making money? Nice job, Fernando. Nice job. We're pushing this resistance here, guys, but it looks like we're going right through. Let me see where the hell NASDAQ can get to. God, this is just dynamic. 575. Frank, we have order flow class every Monday at 11:45. Link was sent out on Friday. Check spam, junk mail, etc. As per my first email, guys, or my first class with you all, there is absolutely, categorically, and emphatically no reason to ask me if the link has been sent or we have class. The link will always be sent days before class, and I ask you guys to register for class as soon as you get it because I check off who's registered. So either, a bunch of you did not ever receive the link, or I am completely befuddled that there is a bunch of you that don't bother checking your emails on Friday or over the weekend. Be that as it may, you're not required to, but sign up, guys, as soon as you get the link so I know who's in class. I keep a record. If you guys do not have the link, absolutely email me. Oh, natural gas is getting a bid. Target one filled on the bot. Guys, this is just ridiculous. I mean, this is just. When it reverses, it's going to be big. Okay, George, no worries. I'll check it before class so I know. No worries. This is just straight up Gonzola for now. The retracement will be fun if we can get it while we're in the room. We're still going, guys. I got nothing. Is there anybody not making money? I mean, I'm going to have to. Yeah, this is just a relief rally from oversold. That's all. And on Friday, I showed this early. I don't know if you were in. This was the long I took on Friday. And I posted it in member Skype. Do not short down here. That is the 200-week moving average. Apparently, we tagged it again some point overnight. We're going to sell. Any of these pullbacks is an opportunity if you're a position trader to short. 37.50. We should get up there, I would think. 25. Right up to that area here. From that low volume area here. Jeez. And still can't get a rejection, a strong rejection. ES may pull back a little bit here. NASDAQ may get a pullback into 98, maybe. Qs are going to pull back to 78.52. I mean, this thing doesn't want to die, fellas. It just does not want to pull back. I do have a target at 87 on a pullback. If I could get all right, ES is a small short below 22 with a target at 17 ES. Below 22 with a 17 target. Crude is getting a small pullback. You have a small short on crude, it looks like, to 79.84, 13 ticks. Copper may roll over. Copper's got 200 net sellers. Another NASDAQ long. We're getting close, guys, I think, to rolling. All right, let me get this out of here. Waiting Dallas Fed. That's your short on the ES. Minus 17.2. Missing minus 10. Come on, NASDAQ, roll over. ES sold 20 down to 20. I have a support zone at 14. Well, copper is a short. Natural gas again rolling. Freaking NASDAQ, man, just will not die. Copper short if you want a copper short. NASDAQ, I still have an 87 target, or at least supported 87. The sucker's got to pull back at some point. NASDAQ is failing the hourly cloud. I think we're getting pretty close to a pullback. Back to 77. And then if we fail below 60, this could come a long way. We pushed into the hourly cloud on the NASDAQ, and we are failing on the hourlies. The hourly low is 453, give or take. Here comes 77. Collins is speaking, Fed's Collins. First job is to bring inflation down. Waiting to do that will only make it harder. We made it to 18. Anybody short copper? Target one is 34.25. 34.25 on copper. Crude is coming down, finally. Watch the short below 79.75 on crude if you're not already short. That's your short, 79.75. ECB's Lagarde reiterating interest rates are their most effective tool. Got 15-minute support here about 93, 94. Getting some selling pressure. ES is short, guys. I gave you that short at the line at 22. Target is 14. If anybody is short ES. NASDAQ is short with a target at 80. Target one is at 80. Crude did not break below. Yeah, it did. Fairly boring trade, guys. Just one direction. Where this NASDAQ is getting heavy up here. getting close, guys, I think, to rolling over, but it just does not want to die yet. They're bleeding them. ES is going to come down. ES is going to come down. Crude is rolling. Copper is almost to target. And NASDAQ, I'm waiting on. Boy, if NASDAQ can work down below 418, it's coming a long ways down, guys. Long way down below 418. All right, guys, I'm short NASDAQ. I'm short NASDAQ. I don't like it trading into the 69.70, but we should pull back to 56. This could bounce here at one standard deviation. I really want this to pull back. There we go. Come on. God dang it. Come on, fell here. Below 67. No. 400 sellers in this candle. Fed's Collins said she will not be surprised if mortgage rates rise further. Really? No kidding. What does it matter? Nobody's buying houses now. Raise them to 21%, I say, just like the 1980s. I'm short NASDAQ, guys. I'm short at 74.5. I'd like first target about 56. I'm short 74.5. Come on, 56. Come on, dog. Let's go. Got down to 63.5. Rat dog. Still holding. Man, do I hate this NASDAQ. Come on. Get your ass. Whoops, sorry, guys. Get your keister down here. 60 buyers, 80 buyers. They're trying to hold it up in here above one standard deviation. This breakdown, if we'd have gotten a candle close here, would have come. This could pop back to 95. This could go back to 95, just letting you know. It is going to go to 92. Come on, sell them off. It's going to 92 if you guys want to cut the trade. Gave money and 300 buyers step back in. There's 92. Natty gas went. Still do not think this is going very far. This now has support here. That's where I traded 255. Needs to come back down below. There we go. There we go. Come on. Break here. Catch that swing at 64 and it comes 55. Come on. Push, you rat dog. Sell them. 220, 213. There we go. Below 55, it comes 46. I took one off, guys. I'm holding one. Come on. Below 50, it held 55. Below that, it comes 46. CL first target is right here, 58. I wasn't watching it. 58. Need to get a break below 55 here, guys. And then it's next is 46. Come on, don't bounce here. Let's go. They got it. Sellers got him now. ES should head back to 05. Damn it. Sellers can't push him. They're trying. 400 sellers in this 3-minute block. They're trying like hell. ES is doing its job coming down. NASDAQ should break here, guys. It's trying to, God dang it, this 55 is being a bear. Crew just shorted on the bot. Come on, fail. Fail. Come on, NASDAQ. 419, 420. Sellers are pressing the living daylights out of them. 420 sellers here. Buyers are trying to hold 55. Break a 55, we get 46, 47 pretty quick. Anybody still holding shorts? There it is, new candle. Still holding, there it goes, broke. Anybody holding shorts, guys? I'm holding one still. All right, I'm out. I took my risk off. Took my risk off. I took my risk off. There it goes. Now it's going to 46, and then we should work down to 420 if you guys have the patience. ES. There it goes. There's 446. Maybe a small bounce here, and then we work to 420. You're welcome, guys. If you're still holding, next target down is 420. 420. If we break 17, 355 is the target. If we break 17. Four 415 is going to give us support. But down to 2,400 net buyers. See you in class, Patrick. This could bounce back to that 55, which should be resistance. Let me look at a bigger time frame. Guys, we're shorts on the bigger time frames, but your stop has to be 505 on the bigger time frames. Hourly should pull back to 400. So if I can get a move back up into 70, I'd be okay with that. ES worked down to 06 from that 22 short. Anybody take that 22 short? Guys, we're getting long in the tooth here. 10 minutes left in the session. Is there anybody that does not or has not made money today? Is there anybody that hasn't made money today? We're getting ready to drop again down to 17. Nice job, bro. We should come down to 17. 2,400 net buyers. We're holding the top of the cloud on a small time frame. I'll show you guys. Hang on. Minute and 20 seconds to the top of the hour, fellas. Here comes that 60. Guys, as we get to the 11 o'clock hour, we're basically done for the day. According to you all, no one has not made money today. Should have been a good day. Prediction before I leave. If we don't go up, we'll probably go down. How's that? I think we come lower today. That's my opinion. I think that this is an oversold bounce. And, again, we could look at the one thing that's working against, us continuing the sell-off, in my humble opinion, is that this is the last week of the third quarter. So, they're not going to want to send out statements. They're going to want to send out statements that are the least offensive. You know what I mean? So it would not shock me to see the ES trade this week back above 3,800. And then, it gets us into, we're pretty dang close to earnings season. So, all right, fellas. My bots were up 1575. I want to put an asterisk next to that. That's like Barry Bonds' home run record. There's an asterisk next to it. I did not start my bots until way late today. I slept in this morning. If I had started them at 6 o'clock, it looks like they would be down a small amount. But I slept in today, so there is an asterisk next to that bot total. I will add up the total and let you guys know tomorrow. I'll get all of them. I still think Barry Bonds is the greatest hitter of all time. Care less about his steroid use. And he should be in the Hall of Fame, same as Pete Rose. On that note, I will leave you all until tomorrow.